Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 5.1 for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data. Here you see the number A is the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag, but the number of letters is not given. Therefore, we cannot use histograms in case of A. The height of competitors in athletics meet. The height of competitors in a athletics meet. In case of B, the height is given. That means we can use a histograms in case of B. The number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. The number of cassettes produced by 5 companies, but the number of cassettes is not given. We cannot use histograms in case of C. And D, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 to 7 p.m. at a station. If the number of passengers is given, therefore we can, in case of B and D, we can make histograms. In case of B and D, right? In case of the, in case of the data, in case of the data, in case of the data given, in A and C, A and C, in case of A and C, we we cannot use, we cannot use histogram, we cannot use histogram, cannot use histogram, cannot use histogram because we do not, because we do not know, we do not know the number of letters, the number, the number of letters for different areas. We do not know the number of letters of different areas. Letters for different areas. For different areas. Different areas. Different areas. And the number of cassettes and the number of cassettes and the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies, but in case of but in case of B and D, B and D, but in case of B and D, we can use histogram. We can use histograms. We can use histograms. B and D, we can use histograms as we can divide, as we can divide, as we can divide, as we can divide the given data we can divide the given data. We can divide the given data in class interval, in class interval, class interval, in class interval, right? So we can use, so B and D, B and D, B and D can be represented, can be represented can be represented in histogram, in histogram, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.